Warm, gooey cookie dough. You won't believe this was made in the air fryer. Start by getting a bowl and adding some soft unsalted butter and some sugar. The blend of sugars is really important here because it helps bring that depth of flavour. Cream them together until it's wonderfully smooth and fluffy. Once it looks like this, you're ready to add in your golden syrup and then your milk. Give it a good mix to help those ingredients combine. It may look a little bit weird at this stage, but trust the process and I promise you'll end up with a wonderful cookie dough. Once everything's been mixed well and it's nice and combined, you're ready to add in your dry ingredients. Gradually fold the dry ingredients in, mixing until it forms a glorious cookie dough. Add in your chocolate chips and vanilla extract and fold it in. Once those chocolate chips have been mixed in, your cookie dough is ready. Place it into a small baking tray and spread it into an even layer so it cooks well. For that extra chocolatey taste and the ultimate dessert, top with extra chocolate chips. Now it's time to let the air fryer work its magic. We're going to air fry this at 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Crisp on the outside and soft and gooey on the inside. This is the perfect cookie dough. And if you want more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.